morning everyone. Thank you for joining me for our today's meeting. So we have an important task ahead of us, which is the project of the installation of 450mm steel distribution pipes. We have a lot to cover today, including how our project aligns with our company broader strategies and also standards. And then let's begin with our project scope and design. Ms. Nida, can you start us off?
Sure. We have mapped out the pipeline route from Bukit Lada Tank to the T-junction road. The design includes detailed plan for trenching, pipe laying and connection points. We need to ensure that the pipeline is installed with minimal disruption to the local environment and communities.
That sounds comprehensive. Ms. Ain, how are we progressing with the procurement?
Okay, we have identified a few potential suppliers for the 450mm mild steel pipes. I am negotiating a few of contracts to ensure that we get the best quality at a competitive price. And logistics are in place for timeline delivery once we finalize the supplier.
Okay, that's good to hear, Ms. Ain. Speaking of logistics, we need to ensure all transportation adheres to safety standards to avoid any incidents. Additionally, we will conduct regular safety training for all personnel involved in the project. Excellent point, Ms. Fatin. To ensure the success of our project, I want us to apply Six Sigma principles. Let's discuss how we can incorporate these principles into our processes. Ms. Ain, could you start with procurement?
Okay, for procurement, we focus on the define and measure phases first. We define our requirements clearly, specifying the quality and standards for the steel pipes. Then we measure the performance of our suppliers, ensuring that they meet the standards consistently. So in our project, I use Six Sigma to streamline our supplier selection and evaluation process, ensuring that we maintain high standards and reduce the delays. This will help us minimize costs and maximize the efficiency.
Excellent, Ms. Ain. So, consistency in quality is crucial. Ms. Nida, how can we apply Six Sigma into civil engineering process?
As for our engineering side, we can use analyze and improve phase. We will analyze past projects to identify any common issues, such as delays or structural weakness. From there, we will develop improved process and techniques to mitigate this risk, ensuring that our installation is both timely and robust. And for our project, we will apply Six Sigma by identifying the key process areas where we can reduce variability and defects. For example, during the pipeline installation phase, we can use Six Sigma tools to monitor the quality of welds and joints, ensuring they meet our stringent standards.
That sounds like a solid approach. Good. Ms. Fatin, what about a health, safety and also environment perspective? Okay, for me, in health, safety and environment, we will focus on the control phase so that we will establish strict safety protocols and conduct regular inspections to ensure the compliance. By controlling our processes and minimizing hazards so that we can reduce the risk of accidents and also environmental impacts. From a safety perspective, Six Sigma can help us identify potential hazards and implement preventive measures more efficiently. Continuous monitoring and improvement will also be the key. Excellent. Next, let's also discuss how we can integrate our efforts into this area. Ms. Ain, how can procurement help support engineering, and also health, safety, and environment?
Yeah, sure. By selecting suppliers who not only provide high quality materials but also adhere to safety and environmental standards, we can support Ms. Nida and Ms. Fatin efforts. We ensure that timely delivery to avoid delays in the installation process.
Okay, sorry to interrupt. On the engineering side, we will make sure that our design incorporate to safety and environmental consideration from the start. Well, we will work closely with Ms. Fatin's team to ensure our installation are both safe and compliant with the regulations.
Okay, and sorry for interrupt also. For me, we will provide regular training and updates to all the teams on safety and also environmental protocols by creating a culture of safety and compliance so that we can ensure everyone is on the same page. Great insight. Hence, we can gain a systematic approach and also enhance safety culture. Now, let me discuss how this project fits into our broader corporate strategy and diversification efforts. Ms. An, can you elaborate?
Sure. Our corporate strategy focuses on expanding our infrastructure capabilities. By successfully executing this project, we demonstrate our ability to handle large-scale installation, opening doors for future projects in different regions and sectors.
Additionally, this project aligns with our visions and missions of providing reliable and sustainable infrastructure solutions. It is a step forward diversifying our portfolio and enhancing our market presence.
Speaking about vision and mission, how do we ensure that our project stays aligned with them? Ms. Fatin, any thoughts?
So our missions, which is emphasizes the safety, sustainability, and also community engagement. So we will adhere to the highest ethical standards by conducting through environmental impact assessments and also engaging with local communities to address their concerns.
So how about others?
Okay, from procurement standpoint, we ensure that our suppliers also adhere to our ethical standards, focusing on sustainability and fair labor practices.
Okay, technically, we will incorporate value chain analysis to identify areas where we can add value, whether through innovative construction techniques or efficient resource management.
Excellent. Aligning with our vision and mission, we can ensure that we maintain a unified approach across all the projects. So let's summarize our actions. Ms. Nida, finalize the technical design with Six Sigma principles in mind. And for Ms. Ain, complete supplier negotiations and ensure they meet all the ethical standards. And Ms. Fatin, draft safety protocols incorporating continuous improvement strategies. And then we reconvene next week to review the progress. And any question or comments?
No question. I will integrate the Six Sigma into our design adjustment.
I'm all set. We ensure our suppliers align with our ethical standards.
Me too. No questions from my side. So I will incorporate continuous improvement into our safety protocols. Great teamwork, everyone. So let's keep our communication clean, open, and ensure to meet our milestones. So thank you for all your contributions, and until we meet